I'm Haley from Your House Fitness. I'm here to teach you about hamstring stretches. So first we're going to start with supine. Supine means lying on your back. So we're going to supine hamstring stretch. So let's lie on our back. Lying on your back, you can bring one knee in towards your chest. Bring your hand back behind your thigh or your hamstring. Stretch your leg into the air as straight as you can make it. And you can start by walking your hands up your leg, trying to bring it close to you. So you have lots of muscles in the backs of your legs. So it's okay if you bring your leg open a little bit to the side. It's okay if you bring your leg across your body. You'll feel different parts of the fiber stretching. So I always like to start here, but sure, try different angles, right? Remember, you don't need to pull so much that you feel pain. Just pull enough so that you feel a nice big stretch through the back of your leg. If you flex your foot, if you bring your toe towards your knee, you might feel it in your calf too. So some other options, if maybe you can't lie on your back, or you just want another way to do it, is sit it. So when we come into a seated position, I think it's easy to start with one leg bent and one leg straight. Love it when you sit tall, extend your spine and hinge forward, bring your nose towards your knee. So you can stay right here, right? With a long spine, feeling the stretch through the back of your leg. A couple of variations are rotating to the side, right? Or stretching both legs. There you're gonna feel lots of inner thighs or your adductors also. So give it a try. It's a really good muscle to stretch. And if you wanna learn about it a little bit more, you should definitely check out the article. Hope you have an awesome day. Keep stretching those hamstrings. See you later.